All right, we are back, and I'm going to show you my absolute favorite feature of SERPx, and that's automatic linking to your tier 1 type link. So, bunch you can do with this, but the best thing to do with it is, like I said, automatically juice up your tier 1, and you can do it with completely relevant content links. I mean, it's just you're building the perfect tier 2 for your tier 1. No more going in there with blog comments, or no more building 2.0s to it that isn't really on a relevant site and doesn't have relevant links going to it. You're stacking relevance with this stuff. So um, going over to SERPx. So I get here by going to, this is the main screen, but you just want to go to manage external links here. Well, first you want to, let's go to advanced settings, and you're going to want to use external links. This is how many posts between it. So if you want to post an external link, which you probably don't, every single post you want to do one-to-one. I usually do like at least wait 3, 4, 5 posts in between there, so it's not like boom, 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 and you bust through them. You're building 400 or 500 posts on here at least. You might as well spread it out. So let's see. I'll do anywhere between 4 and 6, 4 and 10, 5 and 10. We'll call it 5 and 10. So what this means is it's not going to go 10 posts without posting your link, and it's not going to, if it posts one, it's going to wait at least 5 before it posts another external link in here. So that's kind of how I set that up. Let's find the save changes here, and then we'll go over to manage external links right here. And it tells you exactly how it should be put in there. So you need to just copy and paste it in here, link, semicolon, anchor. So the way I get my anchor, of course the way you get your links is you got your tier 1s that you're going to beef up. Anchor, the way I get my anchors is I don't have exact match keywords going to it, because that's probably what you're using from your tier 1 to your money site. So I just want to get relevant terms on here, and the best tool that I know to use it, thanks to Mike Pierce, he showed me this, is TextRaiser. So you're going to grab a relevant piece of content and just analyze it essentially. Doesn't have to be perfect, but grab that, and it's just textraiser.com/demo. So you delete what's in here to start out with, paste that in there. So this has got all relevant terminology in here. It'll take it and it'll break it apart, rip it apart, and spit out the most relevant terms that you might not think of. And these are called salient entities. So you want to go in here. So all of these are Galeway, social institutions. I might not include. Ireland would be good. Moors is probably something good. Engagement, jewelry, fiction, all this stuff. So I usually go with 50% or higher, but there's not too much here. Let me see if I can get another article. Get a better one than this. This came from one of the ones that we used to build our keyword list. That's where we were. Go grab Wikipedia. See if this gives us a bigger list. Yeah, it's better. So this one, if you're trying to rank for this, you probably wouldn't use it in your tier 2 linking, but I don't know what's been done on the tier 1, and we're not really going to put real links in here. So we'll go down to here. Just copy this, paste it into Excel, clean it up a bit. So remove, duplicate. Okay, we want to get rid of all these numbers. So delete. All right, so we end up with 20 different anchors here. Let's see what order we have to put it in again, because I always forget. So it's got to be link, colon, anchor. So we're going to take this to the third column. This will be a colon. And delete this. Delete. Drag this colon down. You probably do this with like a text builder or something quite a bit quicker, but this is what I use. So then you would have a list of your tier 1 links here. I don't have any tier 1 links, so what I'm going to do is just do a general domain.com type stuff, HTTP. But of course you would use different, I guess it doesn't matter if we use it or not, different domains on each one of these, or different URLs. So, and then we're going to do equals this and this and this, and that builds in the format that we need. So it's going to link to domain.com with this anchor text. So then drag that down, copy it, pick what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put it in it's only gonna link out from the rings category. That's really cool if you need ultra tight relevance, and you have a bunch of categories. It's not gonna link in these random categories. It's gonna link only in rings, because that's the most relevant category. Then you can go in and you could do another subcategory, like if you have weddings that you want to link to, wedding type anchor text, or tier 1s. If you have a bunch of different ones and you just want to create this monster authority site, you have a bunch of, like, if you have watches, shoes, a bunch of stuff in fashion, hats, you can link out to your tier 1s that are about hats, or that are about watches or shoes or stuff like that. So you can do a lot with this. So we're gonna paste that in there, add links, and that'd be it. You should see a links file in here now. Not set yet. That's how you do it, and then it'll start to link out randomly throughout that. Love that when you see that, because you don't even notice it. Let's see if we haven't started posting yet, but it will start posting today, and all that good stuff. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hopefully the wheels are turning and you know how you're going to use this in your link building campaigns. You can use this to generate traffic. You can use it for your tier 1, for your tier 2, a bunch of different stuff, and it's only going to get better from here. So that's all we got for you. Take her easy.